They're not. That's what they do. They headbutt their mama. They're so cute.
Look, magic milk bottle. Magic milk bottle.
You want to say hello, Emily? Look at my little Sylvia giving herself a dust bath. I'll get you some proper dust, Baba. Oh, you love it. Hey, Sydney, are you ready? Ready! Let's let the chickens out. Come on, ladies. Come on, duckies. Mama's got surprises for you.
Kelly Osbourne is so happy with her animals. Just hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. One thing, don't hesitate to subscribe, tap on the post notification bell for more updates to come. And in today's video, Kelly Osbourne just shared the sweetest moment on the farm, and it's melting hearts everywhere. From cuddling her baby animals to laughing non-stop as they follow her around. As they follow her around, Kelly looks happier than ever. She found pure peace, love, and joy in her little farm family, and the way they brighten her world is priceless. If you love wholesome celebrity moments, this one's going straight to the top your list. In the comment section, one comes in to say, love how the animals are listening and watching, and are saying, and almost sounds like they are talking to you, and are saying they are adorable, and are saying, oh, look at them, look at you, Kelly, they're like feeding me, we're waiting. So anyway, comment down below. I love you all, have a lovely one, God bless you, bye bye, and ciao ciao.